Nahanap ko eh. Pahig.
Yes.
Ayusin mo yung hair. Yan. Isa pa. Yung hair mo, tanga. Hindi ko ilalapit.
Pogi, putang ina, pogi. My type. Ay, type ko yun. Hala, type ko yun, mama. Type ko yun. Ang cute, oh. Mata sa mata. Slay, the dog is slayed. Kasling man. Di naman kita. Ko sa paa. Love it. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is the view. I love it. Ilan ni ask niya na ganun na. Oh my gosh. Let's do that again. Please. Please do that again, mama. Mama.
Sabi ko bakit? May Astoria ko din sa dulo. May Astoria. Astoria dito. Sabi niya, ay, okay.
Kunyari lang yun. Siyempre, dito tayo. Ay, cute! Ay! Ay! Type ko yung naka-ano. Ayun o, yung naka-hand in the pocket. Ay! Ay, type ko. Anong pangit? Type ko yun yung naka... My chan is like hurt so bad. Parang tumutusok. And then, natatay na ata ako. But we're here at KFC. Mamay, taste mo na.
Sabi niya pagkain.
Okay, it's the last day and tomorrow is the last day and tomorrow's the flight. And oh my gosh, I don't know if I got suntan or like tan.
I think I did.
Ay, like, kita ba? Gusto kasi mapula-pula na ano, like that. Pero parang namamaga lang ang aking ilong and my lips. It's like so big. I don't know why. Siguro the food here. And I've been pooping a lot. It hurts. Tapos I drink ano, Coke float ng KFC and I like it so much. So yeah. And okay, i-rate ko bawat day. The first day was okay kasi medyo handled ko pa yung situation na walang wifi. Tapos tumambay ako kahapon lang kasi kahapon sa may lobby para makapag-wifi, para makapag-send. Sabog ko. So, and yun yung ano ng flight. And 45 minutes lang yung flight to Manila to here, Katiklan. So, it's... And I like planes. Tapos, nasa window seat pa ako. So, it's... Kahapon is 8/10. Wala masyadong pogi, pero okay lang. Pero the hotel is so bad. I mean, it's not so bad. Yeah, it's not so bad. Mga 5/10 yung hotel. It has a pool. And buffet kami ng buffet every umaga. Tapos, yung amenities is kulang kasi semi-deluxe dapat to, di ba? Dapat 3. Kasi 3 kami. And then the unan is lacking too. And the towel is lacking too, but it's fine. Meron siyang balcony. It's not bigger than the Hong Kong one, pero it's fine. And I mean, I like the Hong Kong kasi mas malamig yun. Ay, hindi. Yeah. And then yung view namin ni Hans is cute lang. Cute lang din naman dito. Like, puro building. And then, Hong Kong, puro building. Pero phenomena. Ano talaga, the best is Thailand. Out of all my profile highlights, ayun ang the best. I really like that. I mean, I regret it rating it low, pero may mas lower pa pala. So, yeah. And then, today is maraming pogi, pero like, ang sakit ng paa ko kasi naka 18 kilometers kami ni Mama, like. I mean, parang hindi ko naman yun nagagawa sa bike, pero iba pag paa, it hurts so bad. My legs hurts. And cute yung ano ko. Ay, mabait na naman siya. I love it. No filter yan. Oh, slay. Ay, ano. Scoliosis score. Pero, yeah, today is like 8 kahapon. Yung mga 7 out of 10 because of my tummy. And madaming pogi. And I like pogi. Tapos malay mo, ano pa kasi ako mamaya, aalis pa ako, pupunta pa ako sa baba. Maka-chill pa ako, mag-internet ako, chat my... Ganun, chat my... Si Det po yun. Yeah, pero... Tomorrow, I don't know. Kailangan, ang gagawin namin is breakfast, tas ligo, breakfast, and bye-bye na. Because we're going out. Ang gastos dito. Philippines lang to. I mean, I think it's worth it. I don't know. Pero Philippines sa PH lang to, te. So, I don't know. Pero, te, my core moments kanina is may lalaking nagpuput ng suntan lotion all over his his body. And dapat lumapit ako, tapos sinabi ko, oh, can I help? Because you're missing a spot sa likod mo. So, anihin ko yung video after this. Pero like, I love that. Sabi ko, hello, ako din. Ako mag-rub between your ass cheeks. Pero, as usual, kasi, syempre, magbabakasyon, niregla ko. Like, nung Monday, pa yan. Pero, like, syempre, regla means pimples. I have, like, pimples here, pimples here, pimples here. And the noo is not giving, di ba? Paano makaka-ara pag ganito ang fest? But I already did aura, so I have like 3 swimsuits, so giving up the feel, yeah. That's it. That's my review for today. Ako lang ngayon nandito kasi tinatamad pa ako, pero baba din ako. So, yeah. The room first. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-walk kasi you can see the whole room. 2 bed pero 3 kami. Like, semi-deluxe. Then the TV, the hanger. Diyan lagi si mama nauuntog. The basurahan, the safe, and lahat. Pati maleta ko nandun. Nasira yung maleta ni mama na brown. Hindi mababa yung handle like that. And maleta ni mama, bag ni tito, higaan ni tito, stuff. Ayan. Earphones ni ate. Charge ko. That's the balcony and this is the CR. And this is the amenities. Soap and shampoo. Soap lip, right? Then, babalisin mo na napkin. And then, kukunin yan namin tissue. Should I show the balcony? Mamaya, ay bukas na lang. World, me. Give me a look at that. The stomach is not giving me chubby dyan. Like, who's chubby? Me? I think yes. Pagbalik sa Manila, bike na naman dahil a lot have been going in here. It's like, yeah. Ay, putang ina. Love it. Okay, ito na yung schedule ko. Oh my gosh. Monday. Hirap naman to. Monday. Ano yung H? Ano yung H? Thursday. Monday. Tuesday. Walang Wednesday. Thursday, tas Friday. Hala, section FDM M2A ako. La. Naka-military time pa. Tapos hindi ba naka-organize? 14? Parang ano naman ang oras nito ah. Hanggang 2 lang, 2:20. Monday 8 to 11, tas 12:40 to 2:40. Tuesday. And then Tuesday. Wala ko Wednesday. Ay! Wala ko Wednesday. Ano pa yun?
Alis na tayo.
Daming tao pag umaya.
Hindi mo nilagay sa ano.
Bibili ako.
Chad.
Oo nga.